Okay, mga kaglen, pasokin naman natin tong Sea Life. See? Ayan. Sea Life. Kagaling dun sa Legoland. Nandito lang sa harap din to. Kasama na to sa, I mean, this is another entrance. Another payment. Here. I wanna get my ticket first. Here. Oh. Ayan o, nakalagay dyan. Legoland, tsaka Sea Life. Okay. Yeah. Check yung ticket, isa-isa. Here. Alright. Arigato. Ayan o. Oy! Nice. Fish. Oh. Pause. Oh, we're inside the Sea Life. Oh, asan na yung dalawa?
Nandiyan sila.
Ha?
CR kami.
CR kayo? Okay. Let's go here. Ooh, a lot of Legos here. Pasok tayo. Oh, here. Oh. Sea Life 2024. Nagoya, Japan. Wow. Amazing. Oh. Wow. Oh. See? Oh, turtles. Turtles. Wow. Oh, 3D, 3D. 3D, oh. Laki, oh. Oh. Uy, nakakahilo. Nakakahilo. Sea Life, Nagoya. Here. Hindi, para makita natin, na-explore natin sa taas dito. Ooh. Grabe, oh. See. Uy! I make it here. Wow. 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 Again. Wow. No, that's for display only. It's not available. It's not available.
Where is the stuff?
Fish. At saka linis. Uy, mga shark ko.
Dito, picture dyan sa may sakura kong water.
Ayan, sige. Picture kayo, picture kayo. Ito na nga, inside the Sea Life. 4 big aquariums. Diba? You see this big mga fish here, oh. So, yan, oh. Talagang ano yan, real fish talaga yan. Dito naman tayo. Oh. Ano? Grabe, mga 3D sa. Sea urchins.
Don't touch that, it's spike. Wow! Basta daw to.
Ah, okay. Ayun, no. Starfish.
You can touch ang dito pag natuwas ka.
Oh, yeah. I did. No, of course, no.
Oh.
Okay, hold.
No, I'm scared.
No, ate, hop. Ate, down, until you touch. Oh, see? Oh, yeah. How about caught? Caught? No?
No.
Oh. Oh, me.
Touch it.
Oh, I'm way. Yeah, ate. Nice one, ate. Very brave. You.
Until down.
Oh, until down. Go. No, go.
Go until down.
Wow! Brave. Ito talaga mga starfish na real starfish talaga yan. Kita nyo. Ayan yan, mga yan. Ayan yan eh, oh. Oh. Sila yan. Is this salt water or ordinary water? Salt water? No.
Seawater.
Seawater. Seawater, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But this one not touching.
You touch it again. Come on. Okay.
They are sleeping.
Sleeping, yeah. Come on. Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Wash. So yun na yun. Dito. Mama.
No flash photography.
Wala naman tayong flash. Oh, there's a snake. Hey, no? Oh, no.
That's a chick.
Wow. Oh, sarap na ano to ah. May sabaw. Yung ba? Sinabawan.
Pero mga 5 minutes lang na.
Okay. And then let's go to the side here. You know. Wow. Seahorse? Uy, seahorse. Yeah, seahorse. Wala. Video eh. Slims, oh? Slims ba yun? Yung yellow, ay yung red.
Hindi. Parang
Lobster na maliit. Seahorse, oh. Guys, oh, best ganda here. Wow. Kakahilo. 3D. Ay, buntis. Buntis. Oh.
That's tiger fish, boys.
Buntis.
That's so.
Di pa. Ayun yung kamag-anak ko eh, nasa taas eh. Oh. Nandito si Alan Kay. Nakita ko si Alan Kay at si Vice Ganda here. No, of course. No.
Actually, pwede siya. Pwede siya.
Pwede?
Hindi.
Oh, you're not closed. Ah, may ano dito. Parang may program dito o one something. Oh, mga ano. Stingray. Ay, shark. Oh, big oh. There. Shark. Yes. Stingray. There, shark. Yeah. No, stingray. Totoo to mga ka-Glen Ups. Totoong ano. Hindi ano yan, totoong fish talaga yan. Oh, ayun oh. Oh, oh. Ang taray, alam na may camera. Oh, alam na may camera. Oh, see? Ooh. There, the shark. Shark.
Don't touch! Tita Glenn, don't touch!
Oh. Where's the shark? Oh, stingray. Oh, nagpapakitang gilas, oh. Shark.
Don't touch, Tita Glenn.
Ah, yeah, sorry.
See? Don't touch.
Ah, si nga naman, si. Natat.
Ate, don't touch.
Oh. Jellyfish, no?
Para makati yan.
Oo, di ba? Yari ka dyan. Ang dami. Naku, yun ang bumupuga. Woo! Let's go here. Oh. Ito naman, oh. Wow. Come on, ate. Oh, ate, go, smile. Taas kamay. Swim. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Now it's my turn,
Ate.
Ate, get out, it's my turn.
Go, swim.
Kunyari mag-swim.
Ano yan?
Aso.
Ano yan, monkey?
Aso. Lamay aso.
Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh, mami, gusto ko yan sa loob ako.
Martina, alis ka na dyan.
Yan, naka-record na yan. Yan muna.
Go.
I-focus mo lang.
Tagla pa kasi ka lumakatis. Basta up ka dyan, laki mo.
Fish ba yan?
Don't touch!
Yeah, I did it. Ooh, galing.
Don't touch!
No, I did it. What?
Other one! Look, other one up there!
Parang snake, oh. Ano yan? Eel.
Sila nag-aaral sa mga...
Ito, eel ba yan? Eel?
Oo.
Let's go!
Oh, ilo. Ayun, parang ahas. Ayun, nakabuka yung bibig.
Stonefish.
Don't touch!
I did it.
今の時間ほど北西や南発の下に隠れて過ごしており、学校の獲物が現れる。
Oh, ito naman mga shark, oh. Ate. 3D na to. Let's go to the game. Oh, careful, ha? Water yan, water. Careful. Yan, there. Oh, careful, water. Careful, water. Baka mahulog. At takot yung mag-ina. Umay.
Sige na po. Isang glass. Turot ka nga kayo. Ibat kayo sa gilid.
Parang yung nanay yun. Yung nanay nagdyan. Look at daddy, oh. Look at daddy, oh.
Natakot kasi glass, eh. O, yun, yung nanay kasi pasimuno, eh. Kasi nag-glass. Ha? Oh, sige. Oh.
Nakaupo ka.
Yan. Sige, go. Video yan. Go. Okay.
Picture ako kayo.
Oh.
Inano kita dun eh.
Oh. Wow! Wow! Shark, shark, shark! Shark! Ay, laki! Ang laki ng shark, oh! Huling silip, yun na yun, mga ka-Glen Abs. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ito na souvenirs na paglabas mo, syempre. Subukan na bumili. Exit time. So yun nga mga ka-Glen Abs. Nakikita niyo yung background namin. Thank you for watching. Yes.